Hi guys, my name is Dana and this is my presentation for Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. It's over my place of employment, which is Farmers Insurance, and I am going to discuss a couple of changes that they have implemented. So let's go ahead and start off with the introduction. It's a difficult task to always deliver exceptional customer service. There are several different components that play into delivering this customer service. I am going to elaborate on what Farmers Insurance has done to better deliver excellent customer service for the internal and the external customers. The internal customers are classified as the employees, and then the external customers are classified as the people who are actually insured with Farmers Insurance and go and file claims after they have an accident. The changes that were implemented consisted of years of planning behind it, and it has finally started to roll out slowly into certain states. They did not want to obviously roll out these changes into every state at once. They kind of wanted to pilot it to make sure that it was beneficial and it would work in their favor like they were hoping that it would. Farmers Insurance was established in 1928 in California. One of their mottos has always been to aim for excellent customer service. They have adapted many different policies and guidelines over the years to accomplish this. The two changes that I am going to talk about today are the major system switch that they came up with, and then the restructuring of the tasks that are handled within each claim. The employees have different positions and titles, and they handle different parts of the claim. And so that is the restructuring. They divvied up the tasks and made it to where the employees handled, some employees handle less at this point, and then some employees handle more. External customers, as I stated before, are people who are insured with Farmers Insurance and then file claims. They have stressed their unhappiness with how many different people that they speak to for each claim. On average, depending on the complexity of the claim, they would speak to 3 to 4 different people. So if a claim has an injury attached to it, there would be one person handling that injury, and then there would be another person who handles the settlement of the claim. And then if the vehicle is a total loss, then there would be another person handling the title documents needed for that state to transfer the title out of their name. Internal customers have also actually stressed their irritation and unhappiness with how the processes are going. These two issues are the main reasons that Farmers has decided to implement these changes. Being that customer service is one of Farmers Insurance's main goals, this is one of the most significant issues to address. Farmers prides itself on their customer service, and because of that, they send out a survey to each customer once a claim has been completed. They try to gauge not only how the employees have treated the customer during the duration of the claim, but they also just want to understand the customer's input on how the overall process has gone. So they strive to retrieve most of these surveys back to determine how they are appreciating the processes. They believe that the key to attracting more clientele and actually keeping their current clientele is to deliver excellent customer service to each and every one of them. So in conclusion, while delivering great customer service is not always a simple task, it definitely is necessary to succeed in most businesses, especially one like this that is completely catered towards the customer. It takes time and effort to determine and implement what changes are needed and the certain processes and guidelines. The system switch has not only brought better customer service to the external customers, but also some internal processes have changed to further please the employees. We did switch our main system from a system called Heart to a system called Guidewire. And basically, this was developed by our IT department, and they worked with the managers to create this system that would be beneficial, more beneficial to our company and its needs rather than the previous system. After hearing our customers speak their mind, we have done our best to accommodate them. This makes for a much better experience for them and us overall. That's actually all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.